Bought from Lidl in August 22, price around £7.99, I can't actually remember. It's a writing tablet, LCD writing tablet, 8.5 inch diameter. A1, I don't know what that means. Silvercrest brand, LCD writing tablet. I thought that it might actually light it up, but it doesn't. Really, all the battery does is erase what you've written, like that. You use a stylus up here, which is a bit tricky to get out. Once you know, but at first I was worried I was going to break it. I'll just measure. It's about 12.5 centimetres across. And it's about just over 17 metres in length. I've noticed if I lean things on it, it does this, which isn't so good. So I'll say 17.25 centimetres, something like that. Yeah, things, if you lean and stuff, or use your nails, and you press that and it all goes away. I thought it might light it up, but it doesn't. So, I mean, it looks a bit clearer on camera than it does in real life. Although I can still see it, you know, but I don't know if it's worth, well, £8 isn't too much, I suppose. It's very light, it weighs 100 grams. On the back it's got a lock switch here, but all that actually does is it stops you from erasing. It doesn't really do anything else. You can still write in it and it won't be erased. Personally, I'm just going to leave the lock on. It uses a CR2052 battery, which is a really tiny battery, about the size of that. That's a magnet, but it's about the size of that. It's sort of in there, but they've got a screw, tiny screw in there that you'll probably need a jeweler's screwdriver to remove. That's a bit of a nuisance. You know, it says it's really easy to remove the battery. Well, it isn't really if you haven't got one of those tiny screwdrivers. You can get them out of Poundland and stuff as a set, but it's a bit of a nuisance, really. So when the battery's off, or they call it locked, nothing happens. So to unlock it, move to the left. It's got two magnets there, so you can put it on a fridge or something, and it's got a hole there if you want to put it anywhere, hang it somewhere. Apart from that, that's it really. Fans will know I tend to use these dry wipe things. This was 89p at Home Bargains. I don't know, I'll give this a go for a while. I was thinking of taking it back, but I'll give it a go now because it's so cheap. This stylus comes with it up there, which is a bit tricky to get out at first if you don't know. The way I do it anyway is take it out from that side really. There's a little groove there. You can only put it in one way. Don't lose that. They say you can't use pens or sharp objects and that, but I suppose you could use your nails and stuff if you really wanted to. Not your finger like that, but it does leave blemishes all the time. Could use anything really. It's a bit of a tight fit. Not much you can write on it. Not much else to say about it really. You can lock it, which basically switches the battery off. I'm hoping the battery lasts a year. I'm just leaving it on. You know, it's like a battery you would use for a watch, but I'm just leaving it on. It's only 0.56 centimeters wide, as can be seen. .5-inch diameter. The battery is included, and you've got a 3-year warranty with it. The good thing about it is you're not using paper, you know, for just throwaway things. But one thing, when you do write on it and you use the eraser, everything goes out. You can't save anything. You know, you can't save the top half, or just it all goes. Well, I just seen it says stand by approximately 10 months, so that's good. That means if I just leave it on, it'll still be okay for 10 months hopefully. Instruction manual, there's nothing to see really. Alright guys, that's it, nearly over. Would I recommend it? Well, I don't think so. I was thinking of taking it back, but it's only £8 and it is some use. I mean, I'm using it to replace it with these, but I'll probably still use them actually, but I might not though. I might start enjoying using this. So I will keep it for now. Okay, that's all. Don't lose this, you know what you're like. But as I say, it seems to mark easily anyway, but so far they've always removed. That's it, it's all over. Goodbye.